Hey guys, it's me, Alien ProHD, and today I am going to show you how to make a sound effector in cinema. It's like a cube going up and down to the sound. So first, I'm going to make a floor. First you should make a floor. Wait, sorry, wrong place. Floor. Okay, and then make a cube. I'm going to size it like that. Make it pretty tall. Okay, then go to MoGraph. Click on cloner or cloner object. Drag the cube under the cloner. Click on the cloner. Make it radial, and the plane, make it XZ, and you can increase the count and increase the radius. So it's kind of like this. Okay, I think some more. And then go to MoGraph, Effector. MoGraph, Effector, and sound. Now I'm gonna increase strength to about 350 or 400. I'll add 400 and make it from sample mode. Make it from leave that actually. In apply mode, change it from all to step. Add your sound file. Let me see mine. Okay, and now go to the cloner, effectors, and sound. Yeah, it's over there. And as you can see, it's moving to the sound. Let me check one thing. I'm not sure why, but it's not working in mine. Oh yeah, there, the sound button's not on. And it'll look like this. Something like that. The real sound actually sounds like this. It actually sounds like this with the beat. But if you want to put the beat in that I have in this, you have to extend the frames. So it's kind of like that. Let me just increase the frames like to about, let's try 4,000. Take a huge time to render. Pretty cool. Now you can add textures or whatever you want. Yeah, you can add textures. Just gonna make a simple texture. Fresnel. Okay. Now let's drag that onto the cube. And for the ground, let's make just a normal, maybe black. Floor. And it'll kind of look like this. And if you play it, there you have it, your own sound effector. You can do this in many ways. This is one of the ways. I hope this worked for you, and thanks for watching. Please comment, right?